Ready to go to church?
Yeah.
That's our bike.
Is there something right down there? Guess what I found?
What?
I found a dead worm.
A dead worm? Yucky.
Laying on the grass.
Oh. You see the water, Jedi? Look over there, Jedi. Corbin, you want to go fast?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see a big hill. Oh, look, and there's a mountain in our way. There's a mountain in our way. What are we going to do? Oh no! A tunnel? Was that fun? Silly boy. Cookie break.
Tootsie.
You're eating a cookie?
Danny.
Yeah? Wow. Those are nice flowers, aren't they?
Yeah. There's some more over there.
There is. We're going to go to church now?
Yeah.
You guys want to go on the big bridge?
Yeah.
Sounds like fun. Whoa, look how far you can see.
I don't see anything.
You want to go at the top? Alright, we can go up more. We made it. Oh, almost. Alright. Look how high we are. Whoa, you can see everything from up here. Well, this is as far up as we can go, buddy.